Did you know we hit 500? 500? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Helen. I'm so glad you could join me today. This is just going to be a super short, super sweet video. I'm going to be announcing my spring giveaway winner, but also I wanted to announce that I did hit 500 subscribers as of right now. Let me just verify. As of right now, I'm at 553 subscribers, which is just absolutely amazing. Thank you to each and every one of you that has subscribed to my channel. I just, my mind is blown. So what I'm gonna do, I had mentioned that I wanted to do a 500 giveaway as well, a 500 subscriber giveaway as well. So what I'm gonna do is just pick two winners from this giveaway. And so the first winner will win the original spring giveaway, which I'll link up above just to give you a little reminder of what's in it. But then the 500 giveaway, 500 subscriber giveaway is going to win a little bit something different. But before I show you guys that, just thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I am here for you guys. Like, my channel wouldn't exist otherwise. So I'm just so appreciative of that. Oh, apparently Miss Lola also wants to thank you. She is very excited as well. She wants to say thank you. Right? You gonna thank everybody? Are you gonna thank everyone? Did you know we hit 500? 500? Isn't it kind of crazy? Yeah, okay, you're ready to go. All right. Oh my gosh. She just like did a backflip out of my arms. Okay, yes, okay. She thanks you as well. Also, I wanted to thank everybody who commented on the giveaway video, wishing me well. I really appreciate it. There was a lot of comments, so it was hard to go through every one of them. Thank you everybody for your kind words. I am doing much better. I am going to be having some dental work going on in the next few weeks. So this eye look, you're going to see basically for the next few weeks because I am filming a lot of videos in one day. But yeah, so what we're going to do right now is I'm going to pull up my giveaway. Oh, my brain is literally all over the place. So I kind of wanted to talk a little bit about the giveaway, some things, some like lessons learned from this giveaway before we get into the winners and everything. So I used a company called Socialman, and basically they set everything up. I just input, you know, the parameters of the giveaway, and they give me a link for you guys to go and get your points for. Now, I noticed that in order to get the points through like YouTube and everything, you have to basically like give them permissions to access your YouTube account, which in general, I don't think is super sketchy, but at some point they do say they need like permissions to like delete and do things like that. In no way should they ever be doing that, but the wording of that sounds kind of scary. I'm gonna look into using different platforms in future giveaways. That wording makes people uncomfortable, and I don't want people to be uncomfortable entering my giveaway. As far as some people were having issues with like actually getting the points, there's not really anything I can do about that. I'm not, you know, it's all going through the Socialman site. But what I've done is I've tagged those comments and just gone through, because basically Socialman will make a list of everybody that entered and the points that they received. So I just went through the list and made sure like those usernames were in there as well, just to make sure that you guys got your points. So what I'm going to do is pull up that site. I'm going to pick a random winner, and that will be for the main spring giveaway. And then I'm going to pick a second winner, and that's going to be for the summer giveaway. So I'm going to do that right now. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit choose a winner. I don't know if this will notify the person through their email that they've won before this video comes out, but if so, you're going to know about it right when I click this button. If not, I'll be contacting the winners. Okay, so it looks like the winner of the spring giveaway is Diane Carter. So congratulations, Diane. I am super happy for you. Now, let me go ahead and save. All right, now we're going to pick the winner for the 500 subscriber giveaway. And then after I pick the winner, I'll show you what you've won. All right, so we randomly picked. So the random winner is, I don't know your name. It is Sloth Sweeps. Congratulations, you won my 500 subscriber giveaway. So in that giveaway, got everything here to show you guys. So in that giveaway, you get an Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. You get 2 lip balms. One is tea tree, one is lavender. So you get 2 lip balms. We have the Queen Dragon Duo eyeliner. So there's, I think, a liquid eyeliner and an eyeliner pencil in here. You'll get from Milk Makeup the lip gloss. It's the Kush Lip Glaze Gloss in Nova. So you'll get this in that giveaway. You'll get the Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. So that is this one here. So there's like eyeshadows and blush and highlighter and things like that. You'll also be receiving the KBD Go Big or Go Home mascara. So you'll get this, and then you'll get this is from Glamlight. So this is the Choco Lash. So you'll get some faux lashes that are super beautiful. I think these are so pretty. And then you'll also get from Physicians Formula, this is the Muru butter. Don't know if I said that right, but this is like a 3-piece lip butter lip creams, and then a sleeping mask. So you get this fun little kit here. And then last but not least, you get the incredible Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. So that is everything that you will receive for the 500 subscriber giveaway. Congratulations again. Congratulations, Diane, for winning the spring giveaway. My next giveaway will be in summer, so it'll probably be around June. So I'm very, very excited about that. Hopefully I'll have a different platform to host that giveaway on for you guys. But thank you so much for everybody that subscribed. I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, really appreciate it. The fact that I know in the grand scheme of things on YouTube, like 500 is not that much, but to me that's just like, what? Like mind-boggling. The next subscriber giveaway I'll probably do is 1,000. When I hit 1,000, I'll do one. But again, thank you guys so much, and congratulations to Diane. And what was the email of the other one? Sloth Sweeps. Thank you guys so much, and until next time, bye.